See right now, yeah, I can smell some food, but I know I can smell some Jamaican food. Ross, look at the view down there. See that view down there, people? But I can smell something going on down there. It must be this. Oh, are you doing a lunchtime thing?
Yes.
Yeah, can I have one of them ones, please?
Yes, which one do you want? Any meal.
The curry goat, I'll try the curry goat.
Yeah?
Yes, please.
Yeah, see the last two people took lamb and they like it.
Okay, yeah, that's cool.
Today we're at a 10-year-old's bakery. Little did I know that before walking in. Boom, I'll be trying this lamb patty, curry goat, rice and peas with the steamed cabbage on the side. First bite, ain't playing no games, a bit of crusty on the corner still. Second bite, that one there was filled up, pure meat, $2.99. Well done, keep shining.
Patty there's got a nice little flavour to it. Not too spicy, but the spice has kicked in a bit. Yeah, overall, good patty. It's got the food and all them things there, and I've just seen this. Boss man gave it to me. The shop's owned and run by a 10-year-old, sorry. That is good, I'm proud of that. I hope so you lot can read this. I took a picture of it so you can read it later though. But yeah, man, I like to see young people coming up and doing their tingery, boy. Big up yourself, little man. So people, I'm gonna try it when I get home. True, what's it called? Man's going to go and buy mice right now, innit? Mice and rats I'm going to buy for the snakes, so let's go and see. Yeah, so that's the curry goat, rice and peas, $8.99, lunchtime ting. I got a patty with it. The patty was $2.99. So in total, that was about, I don't know, £12 or something like that. But yeah, this is the food. Let's go into it and try and see what it's saying though, people. You guys stay there because at the same time, I'm doing a TikTok video, so bear with me, blood. Alright, watch how I do it anyway. Alright, boom, man just landed home. Man's got the rice and peas, curry goat, mutton, rude boy. Gonna bust this open. And it's got steamed cabbage in there as well. Let me flip the camera around so you can see what I can see. Let's go. I'm gonna try the meat first to see what the meat's saying. Yeah. I liking the flavour in that. Yeah, that is buttery right now. The rice is good, rude boy. I don't know if it's rice and peas, 'cause I can't see no. Oh yeah, it is rice and peas. So a 10-year-old runs this, rude boy. This is good. The curry taste actually tastes nice. There's a little spice to it. I don't even have to add hot sauce to it. All right, let's see what the cabbage is saying as well. Oh, that's a big tough piece of cabbage though. Let's see what that's saying anyway. Hot as shit. With me, I like to eat my food hot, so that's why you see me rush through my videos. I can't eat cold food, rude boy. My food has to be hot, otherwise I'm not gonna like it. I don't know why I'm fingering at the food, but I just want to show you guys how tender this is. Look, it's like butter. When do you ever get goat like that? Might be lamb. I was thinking about the price of this, yeah. $8.99 for a lunchtime thing. I think that's a bit higher than normally where I come from. It's normally like $5.99, $6.99. But then this container is a bit bigger. In most of them places, they try to give you the burger container and that. A few of the yard spots are still giving you these containers for a lunchtime thing. But I think the highest I've spent for a lunchtime meal deal in a Caribbean place is like maybe £10. And that, like I said, people, is not my first choice of shops. When I was younger, yeah, I used to like the Caribbean shop. But like I said, I've been in the food industry for over 15 years. Certain foods I just don't like to eat in it. Like, no disrespect to nobody, but chicken and chips is cooked on that day, or at least you got to worry about it the day before, at least. That's got a good spice to it, you know, people. Yeah. The thing is, I don't normally like Caribbean food. Like, one thing I can say though, yeah, it is a bit oily. Apart from that, the flavors are there. The flavors are actually hitting. I'm feeling the flavors right now. A bit of a greasy one, but then I'm a greasy one myself, innit? So, cabbage is bomba clap. That cabbage is sweet, rude boy. Sweet. The curry goat is, or mutton, is tender. The rice and peas is nice and separate and all that stuff there. I can't really complain, people. So yeah, man, this one's good, man. This one's good. This one's decent. That's the grease that I was talking about in the corner. You can see the puddle right there. Yeah, let me move it a bit over the rice so you can see it. It's all through the, like I said, when you're dealing with lamb and them things there, you have to expect the grease that comes with it, but that is quite a bit. So yeah, look, I'll show you over that side. It's a lot of grease down there, or oil, or
So I don't know what it is. Gravy maybe.
One thing I can say is not dry. A lot of juice on this. It ain't dry. One thing I can say.
Looking in there now, yeah, and I'm thinking, I could eat, I could drink that gravy grease, yeah. Like I said, I don't want to do it, but I'm on a health kick right now. That's why I don't want to see grease. But it is so sweet, blood. Yo, you know how sweet this food is, rude boy. And normally I put hot sauce on everything. Reviews. Ooh, almost just dropped that on me, Look how far off the plate that came, boy. Hold on, look how far off the plate that came. Yeah, and we all know, yeah, curry goat stains do not come out. I don't care how good your washing machine. Actually, no, my mum can get them stains out. My mum's good at getting stains out, people. But we know the fact the spoon is stained, yeah, that ain't coming out no t-shirt or no jeans, and them. It might come out the jeans, definitely ain't coming out no t-shirt, people. If you know curry goat from young, just be careful with the bones, rude boy. But man, I have to deal with them things there. Let's go.